Hello guys, welcome to the channel Crypto Global 100. And today, as the title tells you, I earned $155 yesterday, and it just closed 3 trades today. And let me show you my portfolio, which I have right now. Let me show you the trades that uh, closed today. This is the CHR, Vito, Tor, and Anchor, CHZ. So all these trades, 4 trades by the way, 4 trades been closed, and let me show you the amount I earned, the portfolio. Let me show you. You can see the yesterday's portfolio here. You can see on the top left corner yesterday's PNL, $151. It was yesterday's PNL, and you can see uh, let me show you my current portfolio. I have right now 300,000 more than 300,000 Wink token I'm holding right now. Also I'm holding BitTorrent. You see here Dent, mainframe, MFT, MBL, Reef token as well. USDT is available for the orders. I want this is, if you need to have some amount, at least 20 to 30% in your portfolio, for in worst case, any dump, anything like that, if the price gets down or anything can happen. So you need to have some backup. This is the trading tip. You can't put everything on the line. You need to have some backup as well. So the next in the list is the STPT. Then I have then has a Terra Virtua, TVK, T-Fuel, Ramp, and Cardano. And after that we got Super, and after that we have Frax share. I shared the video 2 days ago about the price prediction of Frax share. Then I've got Lazio, and then Matil, then Oren. So these are my portfolio tokens. I hold it Vito token, which sold today CHZ TLM. That I earned from the staking, not bought. And then I have got that's it from uh, that's my portfolio. So how many uh, I'm holding right now? How many coins I'm holding is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh god, I didn't knew that. I'm holding too much. That's too much. Anyhow, I can manage, I can handle that much. So I'm holding 17 coins right now, which includes Wink, BitTorrent, Dent, MFT, MBL, Reef, STPTG, ST, TVK, T-Fuel, Ramp, ATA, Cardano, Superform, FX, Frax, Share, Audio, MTL, ORN. So this is my amount, and I am holding only the spot amount. And this is my portfolio for today, and this is what I earned yesterday. So basically, I trade with you see, I trade with if you're on mobile phone, you can easily trade if you know the concept of support and resistance like this. This is the support, reason being, you see here, if we try to find the support in the larger time frame, you see here, if I draw this level, you see 2 times this level has been touched. Then if we go to swing high here, you see this is the swing high, and see the exact, I put that sell order here right on the top, 0.4. So you need to find a way to, you need to learn the support and resistance concept. That's the most important concept. If you learn that, no need of any technical indicators. You see, I don't apply any indicators. I just trade with support and resistance. And you see how many, there are many trades in positive, and there are times when I need to average out, but I used to trade with support and resistance only. and no indicators, and I only trade spot, no futures count, because future is very risky. I have lost lots of amount in the past, so I take spot as my best entry. So that's it guys for today. I hope you enjoy the video. Try to learn the support and resistance concept. That would give you a lot of confidence in your trading. So take care of yourselves. Bye.